Welcome to High Tech with S. So we're going to view the Corsair Sabre RGB gaming mouse today. A little bit about it. It sits right in the mid-range for gaming mouses, from the $5 one that you could buy at your local groceries to the $125 one that you could buy at your local Best Buy. This mouse sits right in the middle at about $49.99. So let's get into it. Alright, so Corsair mouse. Mouse, of course, and your standard gaming guidebook and a warranty card. So let's talk about it. This is the USB connector. It's oversized a bit. As you can see, it's unique. So when you are looking for which USB connector is at the back of your computer and you can't see it quite, you could probably feel and grab it. Have a cable management Velcro piece here, which allow us to, as you saw before, stretch it out to 5 feet if you need so much space, or bring it down to a couple inches if you need it. So that's nice at it, and it's pretty durable. Here we have the DPI selector, which allows us to change the different DPI functions. Nice scroll wheel here. And we have our programmable. In fact, all the buttons here are programmable, all 8 of them. And then we have the two polling, which basically allows us to poll from 125, 250, 500, and 1000 hertz. Let's get to seeing what this RGB is all about. This is the RGB. It basically operates in 3 zones. We have the logo zone here, the scroll wheel here, and a little zone here. So right now I have it activated on the rainbow function, which basically, as you can tell, is cycling with the exception of this button over here. I didn't add it to the profile. But you can program all these different regions individually or to behave collectively using Corsair's ICQ software. So this is the Corsair Sabre mouse. It is a good gaming mouse. It even offers the RGB customization, which you can use via the Corsair's ICQ software. Is this a mouse that you would like to use? I want to know. Talk about it in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos like this, more tech reviews. Again, thanks for joining us here at High Tech with S. Goodbye.